Welcome back to Aviation This Week. Today's edition is brought to you by Lavero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. I'm Justin Bellmore, and this week in aviation news, Bombardier celebrates the 20th anniversary of its Global Completion Center. The Greater Toronto Airports Authority releases its 2017 results, and Drone Delivery Canada begins development of a cargo drone. We'll be back with all of your news after this quick message from our sponsor. Bombardier Business Aircraft is celebrating the 20th anniversary of its Global Completion Center in Montreal this year. The facility continues to ramp up development for the anticipated Global 7000 business jet and is halfway through its large-scale hiring objective to add 1,000 new positions to its local workforce. The Global 7000 aircraft will feature the industry's largest in-class kitchen, 4 distinct living spaces, and an advanced wing design. With 5 test vehicles in flight, the Global 7000 is on track for entry into service during the second half of 2018. The GTAA reports passenger activity and net income increased over 6% and 31% respectively during 2017 as compared to 2016. The GTAA says this growth reflects increased aircraft capacity, new international routes, the economic strength of the Greater Toronto Region, and the traffic through Canada's largest airport, Toronto Pearson International. Over 47 million passengers traveled through Toronto Pearson International Airport during 2017, an increase of 2.8 million passengers since 2016. The GTAA recorded net income of $112 million during 2017 compared to $85 million in 2016. And during 2017, the GTAA reported total revenues of $1.4 billion, an increase of almost $85 million over 2016. To read the full report, visit wingsmagazine.com. Drone Delivery Canada is developing the Condor, a delivery drone capable of lifting up to 400 pounds of payload. The Condor is being engineered to fly approximately 150 kilometers and is anticipated to accept pallet-sized payload shipments, ideal for transporting bulk cargo both in Canada and abroad. The Condor will be fully integrated with the proprietary DDC flight management system, and DDC looks to commence testing the drone at its facilities in late 2018 with both new and existing customers. This is Annex Business Media's Niche TV. Thanks again to our sponsor, Lavero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. Send in your nominations for our annual Top 20 Under 40 feature by May 1st at wingsmagazine.com and helicoptersmagazine.com. And be sure to tune in to our next episode on Friday, April 6th for the latest in aviation news. I'm Justin Bellmore. We'll see you next time.